Hey, what's up, XRP holder? The very urgent and the very important update for all XRP holder. In this video, we predicate this coin, video technical analysis, and exactly, my friend, at the end, I will also share opinion. So now let's start a brand video. But kindly, holder, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you like and subscribe our YouTube channel. My brother, first of all, I'm going to show you the update of XRP, and after that, my friend, we predicate this coin. So first of all, you can see here the chain occur. So all chain occurring will be negative now, and what's the reason, my friend? Everybody know this too. What's the reason? So therefore I will tell you about this. So this is the start of month, and every coin will fails down in the start of month. So this is the main reason. And when short time investors, they are starting selling, so therefore they will fails down. But don't see, my friend, the short fails just in only you need to hold, and absolutely if you hold and wait for a good time, I hope they will give you a very good profit. So this is the last 1 hour change occur, last 1 hour price. You can see here minus 0.44%, the price is decreased now, and 0.6 USD dollar is the latest price. So if we check out the last 3 days chart, then we better understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward, they will wake up or not. First of all, you can see, my friend, this chart. So this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to upcoming time they will moving upward now, because, my brother, you know, after this fails they will take a jump, after it fails they will take a jump. Yes, so exactly, my friend, in the same process will we also do this and this time. So I hope upcoming time they will moving upward now. So that's my friend, main thing what I want to tell you. I hope they will move upward, and the future is completely gonna be bright if you hold it. So I just share my opinion, my brother, and remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision. Now let's see, my brother, last 7 days chart. I hope, my brother, in the last 7 days this coin, you can see here also fails down, but the prediction is totally tell this, my friends, to upcoming time this coin is also going to be bright now, the future is going to be bright now, and they will also give you a profit. So holder, please, my brother, if you hold in the same time, so I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit, then sell it. I hope they will make you millionaire. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.